Hi beautiful people, thank you for joining me today. I'm Yogicas and today we are doing a goddess pose, Utkata Konasana. If you want to build strength, confidence and powerful feminine energy, then this pose is for you. We are awakening our inner warrior. So this pose is a very grounding pose and it activates our inner fire. So if you're up to it, then just let's get going. Start by stepping out with your feet wide apart and turn your toes out about 40-degree angle. Inhale deeply as you bend your knees and sink into your hips. And you can do it as low as you feel comfortable today. Keep your knees pointing the same direction as your toes. Lift your chest, lengthen your spine and engage your core. Bring your arms up to the head and touch the hands over your head. Feel your legs grounding into the earth and your heart rising up. So this pose, it strengthens the lower body, the glutes and the legs, but it also opens up the hips, our inner thighs, chest, and it's improving our flexibility. This pose, it also boosts our stability, builds endurance, and energizes the entire lower body. Emotionally, we are cultivating confidence, courage, and feminine power. So we are working with our Sacral Chakra, Svadhisthana chakra, and this pose opens the hips and unlocks the creativity, emotional flow, and sensual energy. We are allowing ourselves to feel pleasure. And secondarily, we are also working with Manipura, with the Solar Plexus chakra. This is located upper abdomen, and by engaging the core and holding strong posture, this pose activates our personal power, confidence, and that inner fire. And thirdly, we are working with the root chakra, which is Muladhara chakra, and this is at the base of the spine, and this chakra grounds you, gives you stability and strength. So breathe deep here, and we are aligning the lower three chakras. We are bringing balance and clearance to these chakras, and this is a very powerful pose because as we work with the three lower chakras, our energy, our shakti can just move really up to the higher chakras. Eyes are closed and eyes are at the third eye point. And just affirm in your mind, I am deeply rooted in my body. I am supported by the earth beneath me. I am grounded in every step I take. I trust the foundation I stand on, knowing I am safe, stable, and always guided. Every breath fills me with strength, calmness, and unshakable confidence. I honor the flow of my emotions and allow creativity, pleasure, passion to move freely through me. My hips release old energy as I embrace joy, sensuality, and the freedom to express my true self. I create a life that reflects my desires, my passions, and the deepest parts of who I am. I stand in my personal power with strength, clarity, and unwavering self-belief. Every breath fuels my inner fire, awakening courage, purpose. I am confidently embodying my strength, knowing I am capable, empowered, and in control of my life. My mind and body are in perfect health always. Everything is always working out for my highest good. With each experience, only good can come to me. I am a peaceful being. I am a powerful being. I am a pure being. Thank you so much. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed this. Lots of love. Bye.